Hey guys, it's Maria Willis. Thanks for joining me today. I've got a quick little video to share with you showcasing some of the new products from today's Tonic Studios winter release. I hope you like it. Okay, you guys, if you'd like to learn more about this Tonic Studios Wonderful Wishes release, then I hope you'll head on over to my blog and check it out. I'm putting a link in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, then I would be honored to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on that little bell so that you never miss a video in the future. Thanks, guys!